Good morning, everybody. Today I will do some grammar revision. Okay. Please, if you want, you can open your copy, and if you don't want, so please answer me. Okay. Good morning, everybody. So today from first, everybody you are writing me. Okay, no problem for that. So please, if you want, you can open your copy. First, just you can do that, fill in the blanks with correct form of words. So here I am just giving singular and plural. Okay. Singular and plural. So please do it. Number 1, here I am giving, here I am writing singular and here plural. So number 1 I can give you number 1, number 2. Here number 2, here number 3, here 4, 5, 6. So here number 1 I am giving tooth. Number 2, foot. Number 3, deer. Number 4, sheep. Here plural I am giving. Geese. So here up to this number 5 I am telling that. Please write that. If you want, please write. Teeth. Yes. I can also see you that here tooth, teeth, foot, feet, deer, very good. Sheep, goose. Dear, everybody, you are answering that. That is okay. Very nice, beta. Sheep. And goose, geese. So all these singular and plural, you are doing that. Very good. That goose, geese. Again I am giving something to you. Just I am rubbing that. Yes, everybody they were Adrija, Orithro, Shet, Shuraya, and Debayon, Kostab. Everybody you are answering that. Okay, so very good. Next, I can give you another some singular and plural. Number 7, we can give you here some another singular and plural. Shoe. Here you can write number 8, that. Mouse. Number 9, we can write that. Here I am writing birds. Number 10, we can write glasses. So please write all this. Okay, we're writing that. Please write that. That, goose, geese, all this. Here, shoe, shoes, mouse, mice, bird, birds, glass, glasses. Okay. Very good. Then everybody, you are giving that. Why you are not giving now answer? Please write the answer. Okay. Shoes, mice, bird, glass. Okay. Very good. So here after that we can write that, fill in the blanks with describing words. I think you have read the describing words. Describing words. Describing words, you know that. Describing words describes the persons, things, places, everything, and also noun and pronoun, noun, naming words. You know that. So please write the appropriate describing words. Okay. If I am writing that shoes, which type of shoes you can write? Sky. Number 3, bird. Number 4, animal. Number 5, house. Number 6, blackboard. So you know that. That is the thing. So you can, black shoes, Devan is telling, yes, very good. Black shoes, blue sky, beautiful bird, nice bird, anything. You can write big animal, house, pink house, we can write big house, small house, we can write small house. Blackboard, big blackboard or small blackboard, whatever you can write. Very good. Water animal. Okay, very good. That also you can write. Adrija. Black shoes, blue sky, flying bird, wild animal, big house, small blackboard. Very good, very good. So that is the describing words. Next, I can give you that. Also, I can give you some fill in the blanks with these and that. You have already remembered, I think you remember that, these and that, these, that, these, those, these, that, these, those. Okay. So I have told you, when we are telling that big animal, okay, that what I can tell you, that big animal, it is in the forest, so we can tell those big animals. But in my, this nearby, you are having pencil, I am having chalk, so that is, this is pointing nearby things. These are also pointing nearby things, but it is plural number. That is pointing that far away things, those are pointing also far away things, but that is singular, those is plural. So please fill in the blanks. I am drawing this, please no need to draw. My pencil, if I am drawing here. Number 2 is, okay, I can write many chalks. So here this is my pencil and these are many chalks. These are storybooks. These are chalks. Many things you can write. Number 3 is a flying bird. You have written, no, flying bird. If I am giving here that one bird that is very far away, that. Number 4, also we can write a big, very big. Also we can write tree. Big tree, that also we can write that. If I am writing are fruits of the tree. If I am writing that, those are fruits of the tree. Tree is far from that. So I think you have already remembered that those are fruits of the tree. So these and that, I think you have remembered that. Next, I will just tell about that. That is flying bird, that is big tree, those are fruits of the tree. Very good. Everybody is writing like this. And next, I will discuss about that he, she, you, I or we. I have already told you that. Also, I can tell you that fill in the blanks with I, he, she, you, we. I, you, we, he, she, they, it. So number 1 is student. Number 2 are children. Number 3 is a tall man. 4 here am. First one am is student. Okay, very good beta, those who are doing. I am a student, he is also, I have not given that he is, so here am. I am a student, children, tall man are women. Number 5 is a beautiful or nice, we can write nice girl. Are teachers. Okay, and also number 7 we can write that a cat. So please write that I am a student, we are children, you also you can write is a tall man, he, they are women or women, she is a nice girl, are teachers, you can write they, we can write we, it is a cat. So I think you have remembered and you have done this class very nicely. So if you are having any problem, please ask me or you can write that in my e-portal. Okay, very good. Debayan, Kaustubh, Aditro, Suraya, everybody you are Saptarshi, you are answering this. It's very good. Also you are doing this, you have typed, also typed it. Very nice, beta. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.